again, it is currently 5:33. So currently on the way to Steve. We're going to do a 3.5 hour drive, I believe. So an impromptu, road trip. Yay!
Oh, it is intimate. Right, we'll have to film when it's a bit more like that.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
Joining you at 6:45 on a Sunday morning, bright and early.
Yeah, lovely.
We are on an adventure to get a new car. Well, it's not a new car. It's an old car. Go back to Subaru. Subaru Legacy.
It's the one that you regret, wasn't it?
Yeah, my biggest regret. Found it on Marketplace. Just so happened that I was looking, and then there's my old car. And
Greatest thing is, we're chatting about it on that night, saying this is my biggest regret.
it just so happens that the car is up for sale. I spoke to the guy, he's lovely. He's really excited for me to have it back, and so yeah, just under a week later, I'm gonna get it.
Yay!
Yeah.
So, how excited are you on a scale of 1 to 10?
On a scale of 1 to 10,
Yeah.
11. Mighty Matara. 1 to 60. Whenever you can. Oh, I'm doing 80. That's right.
I'm sure we overtake that guy.
Unfortunately, our journey was cut short because the battery light came on his dashboard. Steve thought it might have been the belt that was just, it might be slipping, or it came off entirely, so we went out to check.
Oh joy! Battery light came on.
I'm still there.
That's always good to know.
Still turning around.
The light's not coming on either. Then.
No.
Okay.
And with that, we were gutted, Steve was disappointed, and with voltage slowly going down, we decided we should head back.
Yeah. Back in the devil again now, near Colombia. Yeah. I'm fucking gutted. You could only have done letting Birmingham up till midday.
Oh dear.
Oh god, yeah, so we're back and it's 2-3 weeks later now after
After the adventure?
After the adventure, which nearly didn't happen. And I still ended up going up and getting the car, and here we are. It's back. The legacy is back. The legacy is back. The one that I built 2 years ago and sold very regrettably, and yeah.
It's the one car that every time
Every time it'll be like, oh, I wish I never got rid of that, and it just so happened it came up on sale.
I went
I couldn't let it go. So yeah, so stay tuned, and there should be more videos coming out on, working on it and
messing around.
There's a few things that need doing on it, like some actuators for the central locking. This seat doesn't want to go recline backwards and forwards because the switch is gone.
Just small little bits, really.
Small
isn't
little
it?
bits and bobs.
I mean,
mate, he did treat it.
Yeah, he treated it well. I'm going
to
chuck in some sort of video bits in it as well, what he's done. So basically, the HKS mushroom filter, he's got that new. That was new, wasn't it?
Yeah. He got that brought over from Japan as well. So everything on this car is import, just like the car is. So nothing, no expense has been spared.
No expense is spared.
Yeah. Oh, he's put a new radio in it as well.
Yeah.
So yeah, he's treated it very nicely, and
you got a car back again.
Very, he knocked a bit off because it was me buying it.
Oh, nice. That's even better.
Which is good.
The thing is, what was it on that day? the Vitara obviously lost all its battery power and whatnot. And
Yeah.
I just went home and carried on my day. You and the wife,
Yeah.
you guys went for a 4 hour,
Yeah,
no,
went
8 hour round trip, wasn't it?
8-9 hour round trip. Yeah. So if you guys watch this as not from the UK, we live right at the bottom. If you search like Devon, we live there, and this car was in Manchester, which is the other side of the country. And we did that. We smashed that back up in a day.
Yeah, I mean, that's
got back. I left about 11 o'clock
11, yeah.
in the morning, and got home about 10, 11 o'clock at night.
All on the same day, almost a breakdown. Then you would decide to go back out again.
Yeah, we left our little jaunt at about 6 in the morning.
Yep.
Made it home for about 9.
Then you guys left at 11.
After the incident, and then
yeah, me and my
and
family.
then we left again at 11,
day.
and then got back home, and that was a long day.
That's
But
what
it's
you
so
guys
worth
had.
it.
Yeah.
So worth it, because if we worked it out, like, because of the scheduling, if I didn't get it that day, I wouldn't have got it for another month,
4 weeks.
month to 6 weeks.
Yeah.
So like I'd be
You'd have been stuck with it, and he would have potentially sorted someone else, and you didn't want to risk that, did you?
And it would have just been sat on his driveway for 6 weeks as well. So yeah, this thing drives just as I left it, if not slightly better, because a few things were done to it. Like there was white line bushings put on it as well,
nice.
by the guy that I sold it to before this guy that bought it off that guy. Lots of things.
History of this thing, really, isn't it? Especially going back to you again.
Yeah, and it's come back to me again, and it's now not going to be something that I'm not going to be in regret twice.
Yeah, I mean, I've done a fair few things to my car as well, which I haven't really updated on our ignition junkies, just because obviously it's only been mine, isn't it?
Yeah.
So hopefully I will probably try and do some videos of that. But now we've got 2 cars again.
Yeah.
A little bit more active, maybe like not massively, but enough.
Ignition Junkies 2022. Exactly the same cars as when we did that photo shoot.
Oh god, that was ages ago.
Yeah, that's but 2
Has
years
that really
ago
been
now.
2 years?
Yeah, I sold this 2 years ago. Yeah.
That's quite... That didn't seem like 2 years ago, did it?
No, it's flown past. I mean, I sold this one, got a Glanzer.
I like that plan.
Yeah,
I liked
yeah,
it though.
it was good. Yeah, it had a little pocket rocket.
It wasn't for you, was it?
Death trap, but I took the family out in it, and everyone thought, and I felt like I was a 17-year-old again. I'm like, no, I don't like a dickhead in this.
To be fair, I'm probably quite happy to have it. Like, yay!
That's some like bloody 35-year-old idiot.
Hey, I mean,
Well, you're older. No, yeah.
I'm
But
on-
it's like a little, boy racer car.
well,
This is a little bit more refined.
why not like midlife crisis? Because I'm going for that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you know, like cars.
This car though was like, it's the best of all worlds. Like I can get a fridge freezer in the back. I've got the family. I've got the pram, and you can get all the week shopping on top of that as well. And it still must be, I think, with the modifications, it's got to be at least still the factory, if not a little bit more. So 280, 290 brake horsepower.
Which is more than what you need for road use anyway, isn't it?
I can give it a little short remap, but I know these engines are highly strung as it is anyway. But I'd like to take it to the just for numbers' sake, the 300, 310. I don't want to go anything over that, because then pop, bang,
Something's wrong.
something's
major.
wrong, more money.
Oh,
Yes,
no.
lovely. But I'm really happy, and
Nice.
I hope the pictures do it justice.
Hopefully, I'm going to do some shots around the car and see if it catches. Because you didn't want to do this in front of the car because it was dirty. So
Yeah,
I'm still going to shoot it anyway and see how it goes.
Had a long drive, and I've not had a chance to wash it, and
The car's being used. That's what it's for, though, isn't it?
yeah, exactly.
You know, everyone knows you're going to look after it anyway. Let's be honest.
Oh, sure. Yeah, it's my baby.
Yeah.
It always has been. It's just come home again.
It's come home to you again.
Oh, my baby boy.
So, what did you get home and you go? Shh.
Night, sweet prince.
And Joanne just stood there going.
Now the wife was really supportive.
Oh.
Her to just go up and get it for me.
Hold on.
dear.
Hold on. One's come.
Oh.